Hello students, in this video we will learn to insert date and time in MS Word 2013. In order to insert date and time, double click on the header and footer area to make header and footer section active. Bring the pointer at the position where you wish to insert date or time and click. On the Contextual Design tab, click on Date and Time option in the Insert group. The Date and Time dialog box opens. Select the desired date and time style under the available format list. Now click on OK. The Date and Time option appears on the header section. To close the header and footer section, click on Close button. Thank you.